Well, guys, it's all gone. The only thing I got in here is the fridge and the insulation I got to work with. And I'm going to move the shelves out and I'm going to finish insulating. And now I'm in a rush because I have to put all the products back by tonight so I can continue filling orders. This is going to be a harsh, brutal day, but it's got to be done. I have to finish all of that today. So, no more wasting hot air. Now I'm using scrap pieces. I screwed a piece in there, a piece of 2x3, and a piece of 2x3 in there. I like to have something stable that I'm nailing to. I've got a long 2x3. It was all I had left. It was long enough, and I'm going to have a nailer. I cut it already to fit. Should fit, yes. And I'm going to put screws in there so that that's flush. Then I've got a nailer. I just don't like hammering on something that's loose when you're just toenailing. And I hate toenailing in. So now I've got something stable to screw that to. And, then it'll be good. And then I'll put the one on the bottom and I've got a nailer. And then I can start working on this corner and work my way over. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, almost 5 rows from one roll of insulation and just a gap on the bottom, just a foot. And there's the last piece from the last roll. I'm going to open another roll, finish this side, and then I'll have to do the corners. And I can start paneling on this back wall, and then I'll do the side wall. It won't take too long, I think. The paneling and the cutting takes a little bit, but other than that, it's not bad. The whole back wall is done. I've maybe been an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours, but I had lunch. And I'm working on this wall. I'm going to do enough to get a sheet of paneling in over here so that this one meshes in the same as that corner did over here. Okay, so anyway, it's really not that much work. The time-consuming part is the corners. That's where it really slowed me down. I knocked this out fast. Probably 30 minutes I knocked that whole wall out. The corners are brutal because I have to cut that. And my knife isn't that good either. So anyway, I got 2 more strips to do. And then I can put a sheet in here. And then I can do the whole back wall. And then I can get the shelves out of my way. They're in the middle of the room, just in my way. That'll be nice to get them back there again. And then the girls can start putting once I'm done with insulation, the girls can start putting products on while I'm just putting up the last of the paneling up in the front. That'll help us get this done faster. So, I'm over to the side now. I'm just going to finish this roll up and then I can start on paneling. I finish this roll 1, 2, 3, 4.5. Yeah, I'll be good. I'll almost have this wall done. And then I'll start on paneling and get the back done. I tried doing the suggestion somebody said, staple one side and then staple the other together, or this side. It isn't working very well for me. So I just putting the staples in. Some of this is a few years old. I've had it for the electronics shop. And I never got to it because I was making my own paneling for inside the shop. And what happened is the truck got wrecked, and so I wasn't able to get pallets anymore. So that was the end of that. And that's the end. No more. That's our fridge from our old place. We may or may not use it in here. It was super efficient. It was only 100 and something watts. That'll make a cool video if I can run it out here on solar, of course. Well, I know I can. It just depends on what batteries I get. I'm going to have to scrounge around for some batteries for out here. I know this will be easier with a better knife. You might hear some power tools in the background. Melanie's got her own tools and she's doing her own thing. So I even got a hammer here for in case a nail or a staple fails, which happens a lot. That way it goes smoother. Everything's right there. I literally am walking everything across the floor with me. So I'll get this roll finished up and then I'll start on the paneling. And yeah, we'll have it done today. Okay, based on what somebody suggested in the comments, I've got my first piece cut. Hopefully I did it right. I started this piece here and cut it off in the corner, and then I'll start with another whole piece, and then the next one will get cut off in the corner. Less cuts. I don't know why that happened. It's so flimsy. Stuff fights me. And the insulation also fights me with it. But it's gonna work anyway. So I'll get that up. And then we'll start the back wall. We got the next piece in, and then I'll have two whole ones. And then another cut. Boy, this stuff is awkward. Why that looks crooked. That's centered. There's that. insulate the loft and the ceiling, I'm going to do it from up top. And I'm going to have to put plastic and drop cloth over everything when I do that. It's the only way. Actually, I already have an idea. I'm probably going to put boards across between the two lofts and have myself a platform to run around up there. I've seen something like that done before. And then I can do all that, and the whole bottom can be closed off with plastic. The whole bottom of the store can be closed off with plastic just by the doorway. I'll have to have an entrance, but there's no products ever by the doors anyway. That'll work out really cool that way. Because we got to get this rolling so we can get our products in here tonight. Well, there's the back wall over to the corner. It's hard to show the whole thing without going almost, I have to go out, there we are, all the way almost out the door to show it. Now I can put the shelves out of the way and then finish this wall. And, because I got to move the fridge and some other stuff. I'm going to move that all now and then I can finish this wall. Well guys, I got this far, but it's getting to dinner time. I've only got one board, one more piece of insulation in the corner, and a board, but I've still got to clean up. I still have to put away any non-food items that were in here, which was a lot of stuff. Everything from the office, from the old store, and computers and electronics, and all kinds of office stuff was in here. And so I still have to put everything away. It's all outside, all over the property right now, so I have a lot of cleaning up to do in the last 2 hours before dark. So that's going to be it, guys. But I feel good about that. I got all the way to that far, and then tomorrow or whenever I can finish this front wall, then we'll have our shop again. That's, you know, it is what it is. I have to finish. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos as we strive to become fully self-sufficient and off the grid on a budget. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Talk to you later.